Watch this if you struggle with differential equations on your A-level maths. We are back with a good question, actually. It is a differential equation in A-level maths, which means we are modelling our own, thing, basically. So it's a balloon, and we're modelling the change in radius with regards to time. So we get given that the rate of change of the radius is inversely proportional to the radius. So that's modelled by dr by dt equals 1 over root r times a constant. Then we're solving for k now. So we're given t equals 10, r equals 16, and dr by dt is 0.9 in part B. So we can solve k is 3.6 by solving it all in. And then now we're getting into the juice, right? So we're solving for basically r. So we have dr by dt equals 3.6 over root r. So what do we do, right? Well, we need to get the r's on one side and the t's on the other, is basically in essence. And we're trying to make r to the power of 3 over 2 equals 5.4t plus 10. So how do we do it? Well, we times through the root r to the left-hand side and times through the dt to the right-hand side. So we get, and then we integrate both. So we get the integral of root r dr equals the integral of 3.6 dt. So from here on in, it's fairly simple. We just simple integration and then subbing everything in and then solving for that c. So both sides get a c constant, but we can just simplify it to one. And then, yeah, we're solving for that r on its own. So we get 2/3 r, so we need to divide through by the 2/3. And then we have some calculator stuff going on here where we get 5.4t plus 10, which is lovely. So part C is where we're given that t equals 20 and we need to find r. So this is nice because now we have the equation. We can just sub in t equals 20 and then we've only got one unknown, which is r. So we solve. So we got r to the 3 over 2 equals 118. So something to the power of 3 over 2. To solve for it, we need to do the cube root of that thing squared, which we get 24.1. And then a limitation is that the balloon won't expand forever. It's going to burst, right? So we kind of write that. Nice.